Have you ever had one of those days when your to-do list is longer than your energy? You're busy from sunrise to sunset, but somehow nothing moves forward. I've been there. My desk was cluttered, my mind was cluttered, and honestly, so was my business. Until I realized something. It wasn't me that was broken. It was my systems. Welcome to Opportunity Economy, where ideas turn into income. Today, I'm showing you the 3 simple systems that help me stop overwhelm, automate the chaos, and finally start growing smarter. You don't need a team, a degree, or a massive budget, just structure, clarity, and a few smart digital tools. So grab your coffee, close those extra tabs, and let's rebuild your business from the inside out. Why are you overwhelmed and what's really going on? Let's start with the truth most people don't want to face. Overwhelm isn't caused by too much work. It's caused by too little structure. You can be doing 10 things and still feel calm if those 10 things are organized inside a clear, repeatable system. But if you're reacting to every email, client message, or urgent notification, you'll stay stuck in survival mode. So before we talk tools, we need to reset how you think about systems. A system isn't some complicated software. A system is simply a repeatable way of doing something that saves your brain energy. Think about it. A morning routine is a system. Your content calendar, that's a system. Even how you answer customer messages, system. Most people don't have systems. They have habits of chaos. And that's what keeps them overwhelmed, constantly reacting instead of leading. So today, I'm going to share 3 simple systems that helped me break that cycle. 1, the clarity system, simplify your focus. 2, the workflow system, automate your tasks. 3, the tracking system, measure what matters. These are the foundation of the SMART method I teach across the opportunity economy, built to help you stop hustling harder and start building smarter. Let's review the systems. System 1, the clarity system, simplify your focus. Let's be honest, you don't need more ideas. You need fewer distractions. The clarity system is where everything starts. It's about getting crystal clear on what actually moves your goals forward and what's just digital noise. Here's how to build it. Step 1, the 3 buckets rule. Write down everything you do in your business or work life. Then sort it into 3 buckets. Growth, things that increase income or reach. Support, things that keep operations running. Noise, things that drain your time but don't add value. If you're honest, 40 to 50% of what's on your list belongs in that noise bucket. Those are the tasks AI tools and systems can either automate or eliminate completely. Step 2, create a weekly operating plan. This isn't a fancy planner. It's your personal dashboard for sanity. Use a simple tool like Notion, ClickUp, or even Google Sheets and divide your week into focus blocks. Deep work that matters. Admin blocks, emails, updates, meetings. Rest blocks, non-negotiable time for recharge. The power of this system is that it pre-decides your week. You no longer wake up wondering, what should I do today? You wake up with clarity. Step 3, use AI for planning. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to turn your rough goals into structured plans. Try this prompt. Act as a business strategist and help me turn these 3 goals into a weekly action plan for a solo entrepreneur with limited time. It'll instantly generate priorities, timelines, and focused tasks. No more mental juggling. Remember, overwhelm disappears when decisions are made ahead of time. Now that you've simplified your focus, let's build the second system, the one that actually buys your time back, the workflow automation system. System number 2, workflow automation. Automate what overwhelms you. Let's talk about the system that most people know they need but rarely implement right, automation. Because here's the truth. Most business owners think automation means robots taking over your business. But in reality, it's simply teaching technology to handle your repetitive, draining tasks so you can focus on your high-value work. If you've ever felt like your day disappears into emails, scheduling, or client follow-ups, automation isn't just a luxury, it's your lifeline. Step 1, identify the repeats in your routine. Before you automate anything, you need to map what's repeating. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1, what tasks do I repeat weekly or daily? 2, what tasks drain me but don't directly generate income? 3, which of these tasks could a tool, system, or template handle instead? Most small business owners spend up to 40% of their week on manual admin. That's 2 full work days doing things a free or low-cost AI tool could manage for you. Let's take a look at this example. Let's make it real. Meet Lisa. Lisa runs a small online design studio. Every week she spends 4 hours following up on leads, 3 hours writing social captions, 2 hours sending client onboarding forms. That's 9 hours a week, gone. When she used automation tools, she cut that down to less than 2 hours, not because she worked harder, but because she systemized smarter. She connected her lead forms to an autoresponder, used ChatGPT for social caption drafts, and set up auto reminders through ClickUp. That's what automation looks like in the opportunity economy. Your systems work while you rest. Step 2, not every task should be automated. Only the ones that require repetition, have clear inputs and outputs, can be completed without complex human decisions. That's why we call this pillar automate intentionally. Here's how to approach it. Start small. Choose one task, maybe scheduling your social media or organizing client bookings. Use a free tool like Notion AI, Zapier, or Google Sheets, ChatGPT. Just automate one thing and track your time saved, then stack slowly. Once that first automation is solid, move on to the next. Your goal is to create a chain of relief, one automated link at a time. Top 3 beginner-friendly automation tools. 1. Zapier, the glue between apps. Zapier connects over 7,000 tools, so your forms, emails, and CRMs talk to each other. For example, when someone fills out your lead form, Zapier can automatically add them to your email list, send them a welcome message, notify you on Slack. That's 3 manual tasks eliminated instantly. But 2, Notion AI. Organize and automate your brain. If you're juggling ideas, projects, or content calendars, Notion can automate templates, reminders, and AI summaries. You can create a weekly business hub that tracks goals, to-dos, and even your client funnel, all in one dashboard. 3. Google Workspace AI extensions. Use Google Sheets with extensions like GPT for Sheets and Docs. These allow you to generate reports, client emails, and marketing summaries right inside your spreadsheet. It's like having an assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and never forgets. Step 3. Build an automation map. Let's pause and visualize. Imagine your business as a web. Each strand is a process: sales, marketing, admin, customer service. Now mark the areas that consume the most time or cause the most stress. Those are your automation priority zones. Use a simple 3-color system. Red equals must automate ASAP, manual pain points. Yellow can automate later, low-impact tasks. Green, already efficient or automated. Within 30 minutes, you'll have a clear picture of what to fix first. This exercise is what I call your SMART map, one of the pillars of my SMART method. It's how you go from chaos to clarity, one visual at a time. Step 4. Set your automation schedule. Here's the secret. Consistency beats intensity. Don't try to automate everything in one weekend. Instead, set aside 1 hour a week to test new tools, 15 minutes a day to review automations running smoothly, 1 review per month to measure your time saved. Track that time, and after 30 days, you'll see your progress, not just feel it. Step 5. Measure your time wins. Use a simple formula. Hours saved per week. Your hourly rate equal value of automation. If automation saves you 5 hours a week and you value your time at $50 per hour, that's $1,000 a month. $12,000 a year for doing nothing extra. That's the kind of leverage that transforms overwhelm into opportunity. Bonus, the automation mindset. Before we move to system number 3, remember this. Automation isn't just about saving time. It's about shifting identity. You're not the busy person anymore. You're the architect of your business flow. The goal isn't to replace you. It's to replicate your best self across your systems. That's how true freedom begins in the opportunity economy. If this is already opening your eyes to how much time you could actually get back each week, just wait till you see what happens when you stack these systems together. By the way, if you're starting fresh, growing a small business, or even pivoting into something new, I've put together a free downloadable guide called the Business Systems Blueprint. It walks you step by step through the same 3 systems we're talking about today, with the exact tools, templates, and daily routines to help you stop the overwhelm and start growing smarter. You can grab it right now using the link below in the description or the pinned comment, totally free. And if you've been enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and hit the like button so YouTube knows to show this video to more people building smarter, not harder. Hit the subscribe button and share to your loved ones that will need the resource. System number 3, repurpose. Build once. If you've simplified your focus and automated your workflow, there's one last system that turns all that saved time into momentum. Repurposing. This is the system most entrepreneurs overlook, not because it's hard, but because they've been trained to think new equals better. But in the opportunity economy, the smartest founders don't create more content, offers, or projects. They multiply the value of what already exists. What repurposing really means, repurposing is not recycling. It's re-engineering the value you already created to reach more people on more platforms with less effort. It's about asking, how can this one piece of work live 10 lives? That's how you stop trading time for traction. For example, the smart content loop. Let's say you spent an hour filming a YouTube video titled, "How I Replaced 10 Hours of Busy Work with AI." Now here's how to stretch that 1 hour into a week of content. 1. Turn the transcript into a LinkedIn carousel or blog post. 2. Pull 3 quotes and design Instagram Reels or story slides. 3. Extract a 60-second insight clip for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. 4. Use ChatGPT to summarize it into an email newsletter tip. 5. Save your outline as a module for a future course or mini training. That's 5 platforms, all from one piece of work. This is the build once, multiply forever philosophy, and it's what separates busy creators from scalable entrepreneurs. Systemizing repurposing, here's how to make it effortless. We call it the R-Key framework: reuse, refresh, and reframe. 1. Reuse, clone what works. Start with your best performing assets. Videos, posts, client processes, or templates. If something resonated once, it'll resonate again, especially with a fresh visual or format. Use AI to repackage it. Use ChatGPT or Claude to rewrite a video script into a blog post. Use Canva Magic Write to turn that blog into social slides. Use Descript or CapCut to clip highlights from your videos. You're not repeating yourself, you're amplifying your reach. 2. Refresh. Update. Don't reinvent. Your old ideas are gold. They just need polishing. Let's say you made a top 5 AI tools video in 2024. In 2025, don't start from scratch. Just update it with new tools, add a quick intro about what changed, and relaunch it. You've just saved 80% of the creative energy, and your audience sees it as fresh thought leadership. 3. Reframe. Adapt for different mindsets. Different people connect with different contexts, so take your core message and reframe it for beginners, how to start using AI in your small business. Busy moms, how to use AI to reclaim 2 hours a day. Coaches, how to use AI to manage clients without burnout. Same system, 3 new audiences, 0 extra filming. Your repurposing toolkit. Here are tools I recommend in your business system stack. Descript, transcribe and edit video audio quickly. Opus Clip, auto-create social video highlights. Notion, track all your content, workflows, and repurposing calendar. ChatGPT Claude, rewrite and adapt your long content into multiple versions. Metricool or Later, schedule everything across platforms. With this stack, your content and systems become living assets, working for you around the clock. Weekly repurposing rhythm. To make this practical, here's a rhythm that keeps things flowing. Monday, record or write 1 new core piece of content. Tuesday, pull microclips or quotes from it. Wednesday, reframe or rewrite for another audience. Thursday, schedule it across your platforms. Friday, review analytics and adjust. That's it. 5 focused days, 1 content source, endless reach. Real talk. Why most people don't do it. They think it'll make them look repetitive. But think about it. How many times have you seen your favorite creator repeat a message and only then did it click for you? Repetition builds recognition, recognition builds trust, and trust builds sales. Repurposing beyond content. This system isn't just for marketing. You can repurpose client systems into paid templates, coaching frameworks into digital products, recorded workshops into evergreen mini courses. You're not creating more, you're monetizing smarter. The repurpose mindset. When you embrace repurposing, you stop chasing novelty and start building legacy, because every asset you create adds to your ecosystem. You become the producer of your own opportunity, not the performer chasing the next act. If you're loving this system-based way of growing your business, you'll definitely want to watch the next video. The future of AI, 3 trends that will change how you work forever. Because once you've simplified, automated, and repurposed your workflow, the next step is learning where AI is taking us next. That's where true leverage begins. So there you have it, the 3 simple business systems that help me stop drowning in busy work and start growing smarter. When you simplify what matters, automate what drains you, and repurpose what works, you stop running your business like a hamster wheel and start running it like a machine that serves your life. That's the essence of the opportunity economy, where beginners, small business owners, entrepreneurs, retirees, and professionals replace stop hustling harder and start building better. If this video gave you clarity, imagine what you could do with a full system built for your next chapter. Download your free Business Systems Blueprint. It's linked below. It walks you step by step through everything we covered today: your Simplify Map, Automation Toolkit, Repurpose Planner. And when you're ready for your next move, watch my next video, The Future of AI Explained, 3 Trends That Will Change How You Work Forever. Because these systems set the foundation, but AI is how you scale it. Before you go, do 3 quick things. 1, subscribe so you don't miss our next weekly video. 2, comment below and tell me, which of these systems are you implementing first? 3, share this video with a friend who's building her own opportunity right now, because when one person wins, we all rise. Opportunity economy. Build smarter. Live freer.